Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Muwahid. He was known for his kind heart and his deep faith in Islam. Despite his young age, he always strived to follow the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and make a positive difference in the lives of others. One day, Muwahid came across a poor, elderly man who was struggling to make ends meet. The man was unable to work due to his age and illness, and he had no family to support him. Muwahid was deeply moved by the man's plight and decided to take action. With his limited resources, Muwahid began collecting whatever he could to help the poor man. He gave away his pocket money, sold some of his belongings, and even approached his neighbors to seek their support. Everyone was touched by Muwahid's compassion and willingly contributed to his cause. With the money he had gathered, Muwahid bought essential groceries and basic necessities for the old man. He also arranged for a doctor to visit him regularly and provide the necessary medical care. Muwahid's efforts brought comfort and relief to the old man, who had lost all hope. News of Muwahid's charitable deeds began to spread throughout the village. People admired his selflessness and dedication to helping others. Inspired by his actions, many villagers started contributing to the cause as well. They realized that even small acts of kindness could make a significant impact on the lives of those in need. Over time, Muwahid's charitable work expanded. He started a community initiative called Sadaqah, which means charity in Arabic. Through Sadaqah, he and his team identified families and individuals in need, and they provided them with food, clothing, and financial support. Sadaqah quickly gained popularity and support from the entire village. People started volunteering their time, resources, and skills to assist in the charitable activities. The initiative became a symbol of hope and unity within the community. Islam teaches that charity is not limited to giving money, but it can be any act of kindness. The Prophet said, "Your smile for your brother is a charity." Sadaqah guards its giver's wealth from loss and destruction. Sadaqah repels calamities from overtaking its giver. This story serves as a timeless reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can have a profound impact on someone's life. It teaches us that by embodying the principles of Islam, we can create positive change, bring hope to those who are suffering, and inspire others to follow.